Hello guys, welcome. In this video tutorial, we will learn different ways how to link data from one sheet to another sheet in Microsoft Excel. Let us begin. We have this table and I want to link total column in this sheet to another sheet. Go to your sheet. Here we have total column with no data. Press the first cell, type equal, go to sheet number 1, select your range, press enter. Now the data linked in sheet 2. We have another way. Click the first cell again, type plus, go to sheet number 1, again select your range, press enter. As you can see, our data come to the sheet 2. One more way to link the data from a sheet to another sheet. Go to sheet number 1, select range, press Ctrl C, go to sheet number 2, press Ctrl V. As you can see, the data is linked. These are various ways to link the data from one sheet to another sheet. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video to be helpful. For more daily tips and tricks, subscribe us and don't forget to like the video.